Hey guys, I'm working on a document that will define how the new SDK is going to look like. And after that, I'm going to put that into a task and someone will start working on that. Also, I'm creating a document for the design for the platform itself in the limited version that we are going to create right now. So let's hear what the team has got for us today.
So I did yesterday a lot of research, read a zillion documents on the upgradable contracts and the vulnerabilities that they possibly introduce. And now I have a picture of how we are going to do it, a suggestion, let's say. And I'm gonna finish this today. And that's it.
So I do some code cleanup in DAV.js. I did it yesterday in Missions app, and now I'm working about a bit to DAV.js, and that's it for today.
Hey Davers, this morning I had a very interesting talk with the CEO of a startup which is an airport for drones. We're actually going to meet here at our office later next week. I'll give you updates on that. As I mentioned yesterday, I went to Volkswagen Connect and EcoMotion event, which they hosted, the German train company. It was really interesting. A lot of good startups and technologies from here in Israel were there. I really enjoyed. I really hope that we will secure some interesting partnerships from that event. And that's it. Have a great day. Bye.
Hey everybody, Joe Laparty here. Yesterday we had and started off the morning with our communications call, and then did some work around the narrative, and then also worked with our freelancer on some new content pieces. Continued that work today with our freelancer, spoke with him regarding some additional pieces that we're working on and some new focuses as it pertains to the narrative shift, and also did some additional work on the new narrative as well, and some upcoming events we're attending. Thanks everybody, have a great day.
Hey guys, yesterday the team celebrated my birthday, which was really cool. Today I'm continuing with more of the work I did yesterday, which was primarily helping to support our compliance with the regulatory requests that we've received. See you next week.
Hey Davers, what's up? So today started the day with filming the developers for the DailyDAV, and then I edited the DailyDAV. After that I helped Adara designing an invitation for a team event that we have next week. And now I'm gonna continue working on the DailyDAV makeover. It's really final touches, I'm really happy about it, and hopefully we'll launch it next week. So stay tuned.
Hi guys, yesterday I started new presentation for DAV partners. Today I'll continue making. I'll make this presentation in clear, nice DAV style, in sensual minimalism and exquisite simplicity. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.